To rename a paired Bluetooth device on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, tap Bluetooth. Next, tap the setting icon next to the device you like to rename. Tap rename icon at the bottom left. Erase the default name and then type a new one. Tap rename. As you can see, the selected Bluetooth device has been renamed. Given to the function, you can rename paired Bluetooth devices on your phone with a proper name, so you can easily manage them later. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.